I am reading it, keeping in mind what you would be looking for. तो it's more informed reading. इसलिए मैंने आपको पूछा. अभी बोलिए. आपकी क्या है? मतलब what is that you want? The संस्करण क्या करना चाहती हैं इसके ऊपर?
नहीं सर, आप करेक्ट बोल रहे हैं. मैंने अपना फॉन्ट साइज बढ़ा रखा होगा. आई हैव नॉट रिड्यूस्ड इट. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पेजेस टू रीड. नाउ यू कैन रिड्यूस द फॉन्ट साइज. The language, yes, is the normal way I communicate. It is not the literally language in terms of deciphering the meaning and keeping some history attached to it, because it is a layman thought going from the mind, as you see.
It's more speaking aloud, thinking aloud.
Thinking aloud, yeah. So now I just thought that a lot of people get their names attached to books which in real life they would never even be qualified to kind of write it. So obviously a lot of people are using ghost writing as a help, maybe their friends, or I don't know, some tools, or I don't know. But I just thought that when I am somebody who's so straightforward in my thinking and I have a knack of doing reality shows, why not show a inspiring thought process out there? So I myself don't know what will work. Somebody had earlier told me that Mr. KP Nair ji, that you should decide whether you wanted to go in fictional or intellectual. I said, sir, I have just thought. Now I need somebody who is known in the line or experienced or having knowledge. It is just like somebody trying to tell me abhi aap wrestling karo wrestling ke mat ke upar. That's not possible. No, I can just do little bit yoga or gymnastics, but if I have to do wrestling, I am having a fit body, but I will have to take somebody's help, to even if do a fight in a film, like a fake fight. So you will have to tell me what best it will work whenever you have time to go through the synopsis, and then we accordingly decide once we have somebody also to help us. Don't help me, sorry, with the whole thing. Like I can decide I want to do this, but there should be somebody to come on board also to be a part of it.
Okay, so what I do is I have shared with you a couple of random thoughts on what you could be expecting. So while I start reading, I suggest whenever you get time to reflect, you might just think in your mind if there's anything else in terms of संस्करण, जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं, या कि refinement, जो आप मेरे को बता दीजिए. You can tell me a couple of days later also if that comes to your mind, saying that this is what I think needs to be done. तो वो अच्छा रहेगा.
Okay sir. So now I am going onto the BMC website and checking. Prashant ji has sent me this email that my documents have been submitted against acquiring permission on this application.
Concept of Section 40, Waqf by user and oral Waqf was a potent cocktail that enabled the Waqf board to usurp any land that it wished. Sir, and those who had a problem with this, they were forced to go before the Waqf tribunal. And this Waqf tribunal was a kangaroo court. And the Waqf tribunal's orders were final. And you couldn't even go in appeal. And on top of this, you had the Limitation Act. If you were an aggrieved party, you had only 1 year to go before the Waqf tribunal, whose order was final. But if you were the Waqf board, you had no Limitation Act applied on you. Even after 500 years, 1000 years, you could go and start a claim. This was the Frankenstein monster that was created by the Waqf Act of 2013, where the Waqf board was judiciary, legislature, executive, all rolled in one. There was no concept of separation of powers. सर, देश में छोड़िए, विश्व में ऐसा दूसरा एक बॉडी नहीं है जिसमें वकील भी आप है, जज भी आप है, जूरी भी आप है, एग्जीक्यूशनर भी आप है. ऐसा एक फ्रैंकेनस्टीन मॉन्स्टर को कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ये वक्फ 2013 अमेंडमेंट के माध्यम से इस देश में लागू किए थे. सर, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सेक्शन 40 Waqf by user.
I know that Waqf bill got passed, so I was wanting to gossip, but it's okay. I can gossip with the camera alone.
Yes, you gossip later. Let me finish my exercise.
Yeah, because I like it when people play it like this way. You understand? That's intelligence. ये पूरी रात तक चला इनका parliament. You understand?
Okay.
So,
I'll talk.
bye.
Okay, beta, bye.
Hi. So, the Waqf Amendment Bill has passed in Lok Sabha. It is great. It is nice. And they were having a long match. The innings were long. It went off till late in the night yesterday. So, what I like is that we are putting across all points. We are talking. You understand? So, when we are putting across all points, we are talking, we are getting things sorted. इसमें तेजस्वी सूर्या is a good orator. I liked his speech. And Amit Shah ji, तो obviously Amit Shah ji hai. He gives a great speech in the parliament. He has a throw in his voice. Now that Maua lady, I think Mohito Maua, that lady, that TMC politician. See, don't spread false narrative just because you're on the opposition. Okay? जो सही बात है वो सही बात है, जो गलत बात है वो गलत बात है. अगर आपका घर कोई वाकफ बोर्ड वाले ले लेते वाकफ बाय यूज़र लॉस से, तब जाके आपको पता चलता. सो डोंट डू सच पॉलिटिक्स. You are responsible for what you say, whether you belong to X party or Y party. But you are actually a citizen of India, no? So you have to oppose also what you believe is wrong for the country, not what makes sense to your stupid brain. Yeah? Because I don't like to target women, but if women play these dirty politics because they want to push their career forward, then that's wrong. Yeah. Yeah. So if Congress did amendments in 2013, who asked them to do those amendments? And they did the amendments on sly, so they should have not done that, no? So they did the amendments on sly, so that had to be rectified. ना कोई भी उठता चलता नहीं बोल सकता ना कि ये लैंड वक्फ का है. What is this? This is not some kangaroo court, ना. ये दूसरी बात है कि ट्रिब्यूनल कोर्ट्स गुजरात में kangaroo टाइप सी है. अभी तक मतलब मेरे फादर का वो जो स्टे ऑर्डर के ऊपर स्क्वॉशिंग आया नहीं है. And I don't like it when people, try to use such kind of tactic pressures. Because when you use pressure, I can also use pressure. Anyways, लोगों के बारे में क्या बात करना. It's a beautiful morning. कल मेरे यहाँ कोई मीली बग आया था, मीली बग का स्प्रे. मेरे को लगता है बेसिकली मेरा जो मनी प्लांट है ना, उसको ये जगह पसंद नहीं आई है. उसको जो रीलोकेट किया है ना, सो इट्स नॉट हैप्पी विद द रीलोकेशन. आई विल वेट एंड वॉच. मैं तुमको दिखाऊँ कल मैंने क्या किया. वेट. ये देखो, ये वाले प्लांट को मैंने खुद ही ये पॉट में डाल दिया. समझ रहे हो? इसको मैंने इसके साथ लगा दिया. So let's wait and watch. कल मैंने उसकी भी बहुत क्लीनिंग करी और ये कुछ ग्रीन फंगस लगा हुआ था, उसको निकाला. So शंकर जी, माली तो मैं ही बन गई हूँ. आपका क्या होगा? आपको कब बुलाएं बताइए. और कल क्या आया? ये आया, ये बीली बग. इससे पता नहीं काऊ यूरिन डाला है. और हर एक चीज में लोग काऊ यूरिन डाल देते हैं यार. कैन यू बीट इट? वेट एंड वॉच। मैंने 2-3 और दवाइयाँ मंगाई है, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं पता ना कौन सी दवाई कहाँ काम करेगी। अब इतनी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन तो है नहीं ना, तो 100 200 रुपए की दवाइयाँ थी, सब मंगा ली। अभी आराम से अपने हिसाब से स्प्रे करती रहूँगी।